My name is Aflin Agina. I'm in charge of Human Resource and Administration at KEPSA. As we celebrate International Women's Day, human resources play a crucial role in supporting women employees by promoting both opportunities and economic rights within their workplaces. We partner with different organizations to promote financial wellness programs such as budgeting, savings and retirement planning. Health and wellness initiatives are also prioritized with regular medical checkups and screenings for conditions like cancer and other illnesses, ensuring preventive care and long-term well-being.
My name is Caroline Kawera. I am the Socioeconomic and Community Outreach Manager at KEPSA Foundation. At KEPSA Foundation, we are happy that we've been able to impact women in the workplace by championing the establishment of lactation stations to ensure that women in the workplace are able to balance between breastfeeding and their productive work in employment.
So my name is Lucy Nite. I work with KEPSA as a gender specialist. It's that month again where we get to celebrate the women's achievements, the women's progress towards gender equality. It's the International Women's Month. And the theme for this year is Give to Gain, which is a theme that resonates so much with the work that I do, which is around truly and really investing in women and girls, providing women with opportunities, resources, and even access to finance, which is very important when we're talking about women in businesses. So my work revolves around supporting women with capacity building, that's number one. I do work around advocacy, and most recently, which is very important, is I try to bring women together to speak in one voice, especially when it comes to advocating for issues that affect them, whether you're talking about economic rights. So we have recently established a Gender Champions Network that seeks to bring leaders in the private sector together. It's a platform where they can advocate for gender mainstreaming, they can advocate for more inclusive workplaces, and it really resonates with the theme for this year, which is Give to Gain, because when you invest in women, it's not only women benefiting, but their communities benefits. We get to have healthier communities, we get to have more women actually reinvesting their resources in their communities, and that's what we're looking at this year. That's the alignment that we have with the International Women's Day, and I'm really happy to be doing this work. Thank you.
My name is Shain Richu. I am the Acting Secretary General for ICC Kenya. ICC stands for the International Chamber of Commerce, and we are hosted by the Kenya Private Sector Alliance. On a larger scale, we do have programs such as the ICC Center of Entrepreneurship that focuses on growing women by giving them the tools that they need to enable them access trade internationally. One of the tools that ICC has for women is ICC One Click, which gives them an opportunity to be able to understand trade in the simplest of languages. For example, for ICC, for Kenyan women, the One Click is there in Kiswahili. Imagine how cool is that? That somebody, a woman in Mashambani is able to understand what trade is in their local language, Swahili. I think that's some of the coolest things that we have at ICC.
Hi, my name is June Mwangi. I am a project officer at KEPSA, working under the programs department, supporting small and medium enterprises development. My work stems or supports women economic opportunities through touching on capacity development, access to finance, and being able to showcase entrepreneurs, businesses, and skills and what they do in the market, touched upon on our market opportunities or market access angle. So in this this International Women's Day of 2026, I am calling upon women to come and show up and show who they are, show their personalities by showcasing what they do, showcasing where they are located, showcasing who they are and doing what they do best.
My name is Anne Waweru, a digital work specialist at KEPSA under the Ajira program. I also support the capacity development component of the TVT initiative, among others. And I support
the youth to get jobs, especially young women, to get jobs, decent jobs in the digital economy. So many young women have challenges, one of them being lack of access to employers and informations and network where they can be able to access information on emerging jobs. So by working with the private sector, we are able to link them to jobs in the digital economy, but also in the renewable energy sector and the creative economy. So we also support them in work readiness and digital skills that enable them to access better paying jobs, and that also increases their livelihoods and also helps them to support themselves and their families.
Hi, my name is Faith Chege. I work under communications here at KEPSA. And under the Youth and Jobs, one of my roles is to amplify the work that we do in terms of the opportunities that are there. Opportunities such as job opportunities, learning opportunities to allow for young women to upskill themselves within our different projects so that they may grow in their careers or in whatever aspects they are, and to also encourage entrepreneurship under all of our different projects.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.